Hello and welcome back to the Smart Process channel. In today's short video, we're going to show you how to set the CT rate on the Smart X96 series. This is going to apply for the Smart X96 5, the 5E, and the Smart X96 1 and the 1E as well. So we've got the meter powered up just using the live and neutral. And this is the startup screen. So at the moment it's just showing kilowatt hours, total kilowatt hours on the bottom, and it's showing volts per phase along the top there. Obviously we've just got one phase wired up, which is why it's showing only one phase with volts on there. So we're going to press and hold the E button, and we're going to use the password 1000. So we'll just tap the MD button once, just tap it, and then we're going to press and hold the E button again. Firstly, we've got set comms, so this is for your Modbus settings. And then if we use the down arrow or the P button and just tap it once, you get to set CT. We're going to press and hold the E button for 3 seconds to go into the CT settings. Firstly, we've got set CT5, so if you're using a 5 amp secondary, this will be the correct, and you don't need to change this setting. Tap P again, and we get down to set CT1, and it's set as default to 0005. So if we're using 100 to 5 amp CT, we basically need to set CT1 to what the primary ratio is. So I'll press and hold E again to actually edit this setting. You can see this digit's flashing now. And then we're just going to tap E to move along to the next digit. Tap again to move along to the next digit. So say we're using 100 to 5 amp. I'm going to tap so I can get to the 100 digit. Change that to 100. I'm going to tap E till I get to the 5. I'm going to use the P arrow to change that down to 0. And then once we're ready to set that, we're just going to press and hold E again for 3 seconds. And you can see it says good. So that is your Smart X96 set correctly. And this is the same across the Smart X96 5, 5E, or the 1 and the 1E as well. If you've set the meter incorrectly and you need to reset it, you can't do that just straight off the bat because this meter is MID approved, and as part of the MID legislation, you're unable to change the CT rate. But we do have a reset code, so we're just going to go out of the settings menu by pressing the escape button, and now we're back into the main display screen. So again, we're going to go into the meter by pressing and holding the E, and then instead of putting the 1000 password in, we're going to put a different password. So the password's going to be 3, 2, 6, and then we're going to press and hold the E and the PHS button at the same time for 3 seconds. So, and then we get through to the settings. And then again, we'll just go down to CT, press and hold the E button for 3 seconds, down to CT1, press and hold again to change the settings, and then say we had a 250 amp CT. Again, we're just using the E button to tap along. If we tap the E button once, it moves a long digit, and then we use the arrows to change the other digits on there just by tapping it. So that's 250 to 5. And then to lock that in and save that setting, we'll press and hold E again for 3 seconds, and then we get good. So that's how you reset the meter. Thanks for watching, guys. If you do have any questions on how the 5 and the 1 differs, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. We'll be sure to reply to that. Or get in touch on 01268 773 422 or via email at inquiry@smartprocess.co.uk. And please like the video, subscribe, and we'll be posting more videos like this. Thank you.